Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Hub. Today we're taking a closer look at the undisputed benchmark of luxury sedans, a vehicle that consistently sets the standard for innovation, comfort, and sophistication. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class maintains its commanding and elegant exterior design, a true masterpiece of modern automotive styling. While largely a carryover from its current generation, the 2025 model receives subtle refinements that enhance its already perfect proportions. You'll find a bold front design with smooth aerodynamic lines that seamlessly blend with the signature Mercedes-Benz grille and the iconic three-pointed star. Sleek LED headlights with advanced digital light technology, now available with projection functions, give it a distinctive and intelligent gaze. For those desiring more power, the S584 MATIC sedan boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing a robust 496 horsepower. A significant option for 2025 is the S580 E4 MATIC plug-in hybrid, which combines a 3.0-liter inline-six with an electric motor for a combined output of 503 horsepower, offering a substantial all-electric driving range of up to 47 miles. For ultimate performance, the Mercedes-AMG S63E Performance Sedan, a plug-in hybrid with a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8, unleashes an astounding 791 horsepower. All models come standard with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive and a smooth 9 GTRO NIC 9-speed automatic transmission. The S-Class's standard air suspension system ensures a supremely comfortable ride, with available e-active body control offering even more advanced ride tuning and features like a curve function that subtly leans the car into corners. Available rear axle steering also enhances maneuverability, making this large sedan surprisingly agile. 4-zone climate control is now a standalone option, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system is standard, with a high-end 4D option integrating resonators into the seats for an immersive audio experience. Safety remains a Mercedes-Benz hallmark, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-safe impulse side, which can raise the vehicle body before a side impact. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class truly redefines what a luxury sedan can be. It's a masterful blend of timeless elegance, groundbreaking technology, a powerful yet efficient powertrains, and an uncompromised commitment to comfort and safety. It remains the undisputed flagship and a technological pioneer, continuously setting the bar for the entire automotive industry. What are your thoughts on the updated 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class? Which engine option appeals to you most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Car Hub for more in-depth reviews of the world's most luxurious vehicles.